Hey guys, I'm so excited for the show today because I have my friend Zach Rocheleau here of the Flexible Dieting Lifestyle. Welcome, Zach.
Thank you. I appreciate you guys watching. And they have me in today because we're going to be making some no sugar added, keto-friendly chocolate chip cookie dough. Let's let that kind of sink in for a second. And I'm super excited, and you guys should be as well. All right, so the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to get our ingredients. So we're going to need a grass-fed butter. We're going to need a full-fat organic cream cheese. And we're going to need a full-fat organic cashew butter. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take our fork and we're going to start to mash up the butter and see if we can get it to, yeah, this should be fine.
Yeah, I think this is a perfect temperature, actually.
Yeah. So now we just start to combine everything. Okay. And you're just doing this smashing right here. It's gonna act as our base. Okay, so what we're looking for is literally, we don't wanna see any remnants of anything that was separate. So it wants to look like this is just a natural nut butter together. That's kind of like what it's gonna look like. You don't wanna see any remnants of the cream cheese. You don't wanna see any remnants of the actual butter. All right, so now that our base is done, we're gonna use our stevia sweet leaf drops.
I love that stuff.
This stuff's amazing. We're gonna use the vanilla cream flavored. We're gonna use about 4 to 6 drops. So now we have that in there. We're gonna mix this around a little bit more. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of our almond milk. So, okay, so we're going to add this in here.
Is this an unsweetened vanilla almond milk? Or
yeah, unsweetened vanilla almond.
So it adds a little bit of extra sweetness to it too. This is looking mushy.
Yeah, so the thing is, I mean, you want to make sure that you have enough liquid for the coconut flour.
Right, that's what it is.
All right, so now once you're at this kind of interesting texture right here, we're gonna start to add in our coconut flour.
Okay, can I do that now?
Yeah, we're gonna add in half.
Okay.
And then start to mix it together. So once it's all combined, add the rest of your coconut flour.
This does really resemble cookie dough consistency.
Yep. Once it all comes in, it looked like porridge. Now.
Look at me now.
All right, so you can see this is
great consistency.
Yeah, great consistency. And so now is when we add our chocolate chips.
Okay, and these are Lily's stevia sweetened chocolate chips?
Correct.
Okay.
All right, so now let's add these in here.
Okay.
And then we just mix it together, and this is gonna get really thick. Beautiful.
This looks great. I cannot wait.
This is rich, yep. So we're gonna add this to the freezer for about 15, 20 minutes.
All right, sweet, let's do it. Okay, so that was so easy. All we did was throw it into the freezer for 20 minutes and then voila.
Voila, so we let the coconut flour do its job. And so when it's in that cold setting, it's going to bring everything together. And as a result, we have an incredibly thick cookie dough.
Let's try it.
Here we go.
It looks like cookie dough too. All the consistency. Cheers.
All right, cheers.
Oh my God. So yummy. Wow.
And remember, sweetness is highly variable, so you can make this even more sweet if you want. Just add a little bit more of the stevia. But I mean, if you want something that's mildly sweet and tackles the craving, this is perfect. It
hits the spot.
Yeah, that was good. That was really, really good.
Awesome. Thank you so much for showing us how to make that.
Absolutely, absolutely. This is fun. I appreciate you guys. And
where can people find you?
You can find me on Instagram. Is going to be the main hub. You can just search The Flexible Dieting Lifestyle, and that's where you can reach me. We have our email there. You can shoot me a DM. I'll see them all. And just let me know where you came from, and I'll welcome you to the community.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Zach.
Absolutely.
It's been fun.
Absolutely.
See ya.